Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage style home decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Cottagecore style home decor is all about creating a cozy, charming and nature-inspired living space that feels simple, nostalgic and slightly romantic, like stepping into a countryside cottage or a storybook setting. It emphasizes comfort, natural elements and handmade or vintage aesthetics. Here are some practical Cottagecore home decor tips to give your space that cozy countryside charm. Small furniture arrangements, group chairs, tables and sideboards in intimate clusters for conversation and coziness. Cozy reading corners. Use a soft armchair, knitted drawer, small side table and lamp. Nature-themed wall art. Prints or paintings of flowers, forests or countryside landscapes work beautifully. Soft rugs near sitting areas. Place plush rugs under chairs, sofas or beds for warmth and comfort. Curated collections. Display small collections of vintage tea cups, jars or pottery on shelves. Layered table decor. Use table runners, lace trellis or layered placemats on tables. Handwritten or calligraphy signs. Use chalkboards, wooden plaques or framed notes with welcoming messages. Soft, flowing curtains. Light curtains in linen, cotton or lace enhance airiness. Seasonal window decorations. Decorate windows with dried flowers, small wreaths or garlands depending on the season. Rustic door hardware. Swap modern knobs for antique brass, iron or ceramic handles. Vintage mirrors. Hang ornate or antique style mirrors to reflect light and make spaces feel airy. Layered bedding. Use quilts, linen sheets and net rugs on beds. Keep decor practical but pretty. Everything should have function and beauty, like wicker baskets for storage or ceramic pictures as vases. Add whimsical lighting. Fairy lights, lanterns or small string lights create a dreamy storybook atmosphere. Natural flooring. Wood or stone flowers are ideal, but even soft rugs can bring warmth to laminate or tile floors. Soft curtains with ties. Use linen or cotton curtains with ribbon or rope ties. Display herbs and kitchen plants. Small herbs in pots or window boxes give your kitchen a natural, lived-in feel. Embrace slightly worn or distressed pitches. Distressed wood or slightly chipped ceramics feel authentic and cozy. Use layered rugs. Layered natural fiber rugs like jute, sisal, or wool to add texture. Create a breakfast nook. Even a teeny corner with a wooden table, cushions, and a plant centerpiece brings cottage charm. Mix metals sparingly. Small touches of copper, bronze, or brass in lamps, handles, or frames work well. Incorporate rustic wooden signs. Small wooden signs with quotes or sayings add a whimsical countryside charm. Display handmade crafts. Showcase handmade pottery, embroidered pillows, or oven baskets. Layered drawers and blankets. Stack neat, quilted, and linen drawers on sofas, chairs, or beds. Use messengers creatively. Messengers can be vases, candle holders, or storage jars. Nature-inspired wall colors. Consider soft shades green, dusty rose, belly blue, or warm cream for walls. Soft, curvy furniture. Pick chairs, armchairs, or sofas with gentle curves rather than sharp edges. Use natural light whenever possible. Keep windows mostly uncovered during the day. Bring in subtle patterns. Mix small floral prints, gingham, and soft stripes for visual interest. Focus on comfort over perfection. Cottagecore is all about lived-in warmth. Add whimsical wall decor, framed botanical prints, old maps, or rustic signs work well. Decorate tables with simple elegance. Use linen tablecloths, lace runners, and small flower vases. Keep floors natural and warm. Wooden floors and soft oven rugs enhance the rustic, earthy vibe. Add soft, cozy corners. Create a reading nook with a comfy chair, soft draw, and a small wooden side table. Incorporate natural scents, scented candles, dried lavender, or fresh herbs like rosemary make the space feel cozy and alive. Personalize with vintage finds. Hunt for old books, teapots, chairs or frames at the flower markets. Use rustic storage. Wooden crates, wicker baskets, or antique trunks are perfect for storage. Layer your windows. Combine linen or cotton curtains with lace shades. Layer patterns carefully. Mix soft florals with gingham, stripes, or florals. Keep furniture simple but charming. Use rustic wooden tables, comfy chairs, and soft sofas. Bring the outdoors inside. Decorate with herbs in mason jars, indoor plants, or small terrariums. Open shelving and display areas. Display ceramics, vintage dishes, or glass jars on open shelves. Use soft lighting. Offer warm ambient lighting instead of bright LEDs. Cozy textures are a must. Layer rugs, cushions, and blankets for softness. Include handmade or DIY elements, crochet drawers, knitted pillows, embroidered table runners. Give a warm, personal touch.